Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are all good. Welcome to WA Reviews YouTube channel. Guys, today we will unbox QCY T5 TWS Bluetooth Earbuds. It's a QCY brand. Now it's coming with the name of QCY T5S and T5 Pro. So we will unbox this QCY T5 model. You can see there is mentioned some specifications. It's a QCY T5 model, Bluetooth version using 5.0 and its usage time about 4 to 5 hours. Its battery capacity is 380 mAh, which is quite good. It means it will give you 4 to 5 times up and down, and its connectivity within 10 meters. All Bluetooth devices using 10 meters. This is the space of this T5 TWS Bluetooth. Let's unbox and see what we found inside the box. So I cut the seal and open the box. We already opened the box of QCY T5 TWS. We found inside two pairs of rubber, smaller and bigger. Which one you like, you can use that one. These two extra pairs of earbud rubbers, as you can see, and one micro USB charging cable. It means its charging interface is micro USB. So any micro cable or charger you can use to charge this TWS Bluetooth device. It's less than half meter length, and one manual of QCY T5. It's a instruction manual which is in English and Chinese language. So how to operate this device, you can read this instruction manual. Let's remove our earbuds. It's in black color, also available in white as well. If you like, you can buy in white as well. I buy this TWS Bluetooth from AliExpress. If you like, you can buy through AliExpress. I will give you link in description below. So let's open this case of TWS T5. It look like very good and professional TWS Bluetooth earbuds. As you can see, it's similar look like a Anchor. So this is the case of QCY T5. Backside some space mentioned here. As you can see, model number, input, output, capacity, and made in China. Let's open the box. We put our TWS inside the box. One left, one right, and this is the charging cable, micro charging cable to charge this box of QCY T5. I will show you how to charge this device. You need to connect your any charger because it's taking less than half ampere current for charging. This red indication will show you the status of the charging. When it will become a green, it means your device fully charged. Red means it's showing you this device on charging. So let's have a look on the case of QCY T5. I will show you how to connect this device on your smartphones. For connecting this earbud from your mobile device, you need to remove this earbud from the case of this box. After that, on Bluetooth from your mobile device, and you can see here QCY T5 showing. When you click, it will ask you permission of pairing. When you click on pair, it will pair, and it's already paired in my smartphone. And you can see here showing connected for call and music. Battery 100%. So like this way you can connect this TWS to your smartphone. Now I will show you the music quality of this earbuds. I connected my microphone from this camcorder. So now I will show you how its sound look like. Now I already connected microphone from my mobile device. So you are listening this music coming from this TWS T5 earbuds. So how you feel this sound? Tell me in comments. So this is the sound quality you are hearing. It's coming from this QCY T5 TWS. I feel this sound quality is quite good. Very nice sound quality. What you think about the sound quality? Tell me in comments. So this is the look of QCY T5 TWS Bluetooth. Let's talk about its specification. As you can see, some specification mentioned here. It's a QCY T5 model. It's using Bluetooth 5.0 version. Its communication distance within 10 meters and its usage time about 4 to 5 hours. As you can see, backside also mention some space. Model IN2029, input 5 volt, 400 milliampere. Its battery capacity is 380 mAh, which is quite good. It means it will give you 4 to 5 times you can charge these earbuds with the help of this case. So this is the all about QCY T5 TWS Bluetooth. What you think about the shape and sound quality of this QCY T5 model? Tell me in comments. If you like to buy, I will give you link in description box. You can buy through that link. Thanks for watching guys. If you like the video, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video, share with your friends. Have a good day. See you next video. Take care. Bye.